Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to read the cards for you for the month of October 2021. We will see what energies universe is sending towards you, and we will start with the first week of October. We have two cards, each representing we have got 8 cards here, and each two sets of cards is actually representing your month of October, every week of October rather. So let's start with the very first week for you, which is the first set of cards, two cards of representing it. The third week, and on the similar grounds, we have the fourth week here, which is again mix of energies, beautiful energies, and let's get ahead. Okay, so the very first week is all about taking a wise decision of being a single person. Okay, now looks like that in your relationship area you're not very happy with this person, and you've been thinking about for some long time as to should I or should I not move ahead in life, or should I be really uh, be here with this person or should not be with this person. Now you've taken a wise decision of being an independent person. Okay, so independence is something which is coming your way in two manner. First, either you are getting separated from your partner, and you're becoming an independent woman or independent person. If that was a scenario, the second scenario is that you wanted to start something of your own and you wanted to be independent being in that relationship right now, and that's what you're doing. So either of the situation, no matter which one you are in, you are certainly getting into an independent mood, dear Virgo. Job opportunities coming your way. Sense of self-satisfaction is coming your way. If you were working towards one target for a very long time, you wanted to either get into this job only for some time, you wanted to get into a relationship, in some relationship you were working very hard with this person to get into that kind of a state with this person, or in a committed relationship. This month is going to get you that, and in fact the very first week is having a lot of mature energies, lot of wise energies, very focused energies, and certainly it is getting you the desired results as you wanted, because both the cards are very positive. You've got the world representing your life, along with that you have these wands which are just moving in the direction where you wanted them to move. So isn't it a great week to start with, or the start of the month is very, very encouraging, I would say. Now, when it comes to the second week of energies, I think something which was going very well, a marriage which was going very well, an engagement, an association, either with your boss, your career, or maybe on your personal life, which is going very well, is suddenly pick up the heat. Okay, it'll pick up fire, and that fire will actually separate you from that association. The reason why this fire came in picture is because of some external parties. External parties interference is something which is making you sad emotionally. You think that you're not, this life is not made for you, or those things are coming your way. But then with the same energies, similar energies, you're actually this association will actually move into this tower situation wherein things actually go out of your control, and it picks up fire, it picks up some kind of a uh, you know uh, aggression, to be honest, and it moves towards ending things in a relationship, or in a professional part, wherein you will be guided and advised by elders in your family, okay, in this matter. And there you will certainly your patience levels will be tested, and when these are tested you actually will make a move. So second week, Virgos, is not a very good week when it comes to managing your emotions, or making decisions, but then uh, even if it is not a good week to make decisions, or whatever decision making is happening in the second week, it is actually separating you from the situation where you are in right now. So maybe you'll make a move from your current partner to you will be away from your partner for some time, or you've made up your mind to make a move from this relationship to something else. That's very, very critical here. What one advice I'm getting from the cards right now is your patience levels. temperance is something which is very important. You don't get both the worlds always. You can't sail two boats together. Either you can be in this or that one. Relationships are like that. Emotions are like that. You will have to subside you to one place as to where you want to go ahead with, which path you want to go ahead with, and this is what you're not doing in this month. This is why you're creating issues for yourself. Now with that kind of energies, with that kind of problems, I think you will suddenly get into a stage where is medically not good, emotionally not good. So you will invite a lot of stress for yourself because you have let the third parties involved in your personal life interfere in your personal life, and that will ruin your personal life completely. You're letting third parties unnecessarily involve or maybe interfere in your life. These third parties have nothing to do with you. If you are there with this person in this relationship, you're not there with this person in this relationship. They have nothing to do with it. They have no role to play here. But then you are letting them overpower your relationship. This is why you will get into not only depression, you will get into stress, you will end up something which was a happy-go-lucky kind of a thing for you, which was the happiest thing you had in your life. You are actually putting that at stake because of your immature behavior, I will say. So please take care of yourself. Now the outcome of that turning out to be very aggressive. This person is actually becoming aggressive. This can be your partner, this can be any other energy, or this can be you also, Virgo, who's acting very immaturely here. Someone who wants to just cut down, slit everyone's throat with their sharp sword in hand. And the people who are around you are actually considering you like a fool or someone who's actually burning his or her own hands right now. Oh god, too much of aggression in the cards right now, Virgo. What are you doing? What are you up to in this month? Okay, that's something which is very important for you to know. We are in September right now. You must be watching this video in September, but my suggestion to you will be, if you're already in that situation, if you're actually already letting external people interfere in your personal life, please put a stop there. Otherwise, October will burn it completely. So my suggestion to you will be that only. So please take care of yourself very, very well. What go around shall come around is something what I've heard for a very long time from a lot of people. What you will give to people, you will get that back. So what will be gone, it will be gone forever. So if you don't want to lose everything in your hands right now, may manage that now. Okay, otherwise you will be served, you will get the taste of your own medicine very soon, Virgo. So if you're actually acting immature, you're actually not managing your relationships well right now, you're letting third parties spoil and corrupt your mind right now, you will be in a bad shape in October. So that's what my suggestion is to you. Please take care of yourself. God has given all of us a level of wisdom to manage our own stuff, manage our own matters. Use that wisdom to manage your life right now rather than depending on a third party suggestions or comparing your life with a third party who's not going to help you when you get into this situation. They will not be of any help. Okay. So take care. God bless you. Be happy. Be nice to people around you. Please be connected to your family because family is the strength, Virgo. So take care and God bless you. Bye bye.